I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup a Breakup blog. And today I am going to be featuring a product that I initially got broken in the mail, and then I reached out to get a replacement, and it was sent to me no problem. Thank you so much, Ipsy. If you want to see the prior video of that, I'll post it somewhere here or at the end of this video. This is regarding a product that I think if you bought like $50 or so in their recent mega sale, that you would get a free product or a free gift. And this was the OFRA, and I'll show it here. This is the new one that they sent me. It is a little still powdery, so I'm wondering this must be really super soft. Um, but at least it's not crumble into a million pieces or into a powder form. This is their OFRA Bronzer South Beach. So I'm going to open this gingerly. Again, so you could see it. It's just amazing. I'm surprised. They sent it in a Jiffy bag, but you know, those puffy bags that they have, the infamous puffy pink bags. But I was really hoping that they would bubble this up first and then stick it in the puffy bubble bag, because this thing seems really delicate. Yeah, so never mind that. That's, like I said, some residual dust. But I'm really liking it. It reminds me of a cookie. I don't smell anything. Now I have a little bit of bronzer here, but it's not this. So I'm trying to see how this looks. And I'm afraid to even put my finger in it because I don't know how delicate it's going to be. But I'll just do this side first. And then this side next. It feels very creamy, very luxurious. It doesn't feel like crystallized. It doesn't feel crunchy. It doesn't feel like granules. It doesn't feel like sugar. It's very smooth. And again, no scent. So you'll see the color payoff. They look similar there, but they really aren't. Obviously, one's a little bit darker than the other. I'm trying to see. I'm going to use this brush because I don't think I need to use anything too. I mean, look, it's just like, I don't want to bang it on this one. I want to break. So I'll do it like this. Put this here and see what happens. Ooh. Oh, wow. This is really, better believe this is giving bronzer. And I'm mixing both. Although, I don't know if I should, but I just wanted to. Ooh. Wow. This definitely gives color. Definitely gives color. Trying to gently tap and not go insane with the tapping against it. So I'm just so worried that it's going to break. So you need to be brave. And if you're not afraid of color and you're not afraid of expanding your frame of reference, you may want to try to go in with a little more color with OFRA, with their bronzers. This is again called South Beach. Now, I mixed both of them just for the heck of it. But I know that they also have like one that comes with like a highlighter on one side and bronzer on the other. But again, I'm not really hating it. I'm not used to seeing this much color on me. But if my fantasies, like if I was able to tan and not burn, I can imagine or maybe even fantasize that this is how I would look coming back from the beach, you know, looking all healthy and glowy. I don't know. But I don't hate it. I actually love it. And as we start to move from summer to fall, right now this seems more realistic. I don't know how this would look if we were in the middle of January. This might look a little too stark because at that point, a lot of people aren't tanning or going to the beach. They're just trying to contend with the winter weather, at least here in New York City. And people tend to be paler in the winter than they are in the summer. So It might be a little too much for January, but for the middle of August, I would say pretty darn special. I like it. I would definitely do this for like a day at the beach or at night, um, having like those night beach parties. I could just imagine like being on a boat, having my little drink and my little meal, and just having a grand old time and laughing with some dear, wonderful friends. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below what you think of this lovely brand, which I haven't talked about in a hot minute, OFRA. And again, this is a bronzer in South Beach. Do you think bronzers deserve a comeback? Let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button. And even better, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure. And I hope to see you on my next one. Take care. Stay safe. Stay hydrated. Bye.